It is 5:30 a.m. These are the summer days. In summer, especially in Khandesh, Maharashtra, the sun rises early. The rising sun rouses birds. So many different species of birds are there on these thick trees. Birds are now busy singing, chirping, twittering with each other. Only they know the meanings of their communication. Whatever they communicate is not understood by human beings, but their cries, their sounds create very enthusiastic, very pleasant ambience. Trees are their houses. That's why save trees, save birds. Thank you. See you in the next video.